Add your staff to the system as Clinic Manager users. Clinic Manager users are all those who have access to system features. To configure system users, click the Users item in the Administration section on the left, or select the Users item from the Administration drop-down list at the top. What you see here is the list of already existing records for the clinic users in the system. There is always one predefined user in the clinic that cannot be removed. There is a locked icon next to this record in the list. To create new custom clinic user, simply click the New button above the list. The information you need to enter for clinic user is divided into 3 tabs. Let's start with the first one, the Clinic User tab. Enter here all the required information about new user. Please note that all fields marked with red asterisk are mandatory. Enter username and the password information. The newly created user will use this information to log into the Clinic Manager system. So you will need to provide users with their Clinic Manager ID credentials. Select the role for the user and also the color. Each user is assigned a certain color in the system. Color is used to differ timetable scheduling for each specific doctor in the system. To learn more about calendar planning, view the appropriate tutorial. Fill out the required personal information fields and go to Next tab. Under the Users to Manage tab, you can also add other system users whose information can be managed by this user. Click the Add button and select the already existing users in the system. You can remove users from this list at any time. One of the examples when you will add users to manage may be when, for example, a clinic user working in the check-in area and registering patients' appointments should plan and schedule these appointments for multiple doctors. In such case, we should create a new user named Receptionist and then add those doctors whose timetable this receptionist will manage. Other example may be when the doctor wants to assign a nurse to manage some particular information in his Clinic Manager account. In such case, we should create a new user named Nurse and add the name of doctor whose information this nurse will be able to manage. Each nurse might have multiple doctors whose information she is going to manage. Let's finally move to the last tab. Under the Day of Week tab, set users' working hours in the clinic. To do this, simply tick the doctor's working days and set the time. This information is used when planning events in the calendar. Doctor's working hours will be highlighted in the calendar timetable. When you are done, click the Save button. Your newly created clinic users record will appear in the list and will be highlighted with a gray color for your convenience. For more information about how to use Clinic Manager and how to assign roles to users, view our other tutorials.